Hey, peace, healing through inspiration. Healing through inspiration from healingthroughinspiration.com. If you guys want you guys, let you guys know you can book a consultation at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject, coaching, or you can just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Got some guavas right in front of me. Yeah, they're very ripe. Need to be cut, need to be used. That's what I'm about to use them for right now. Been cutting them open a little bit. Gonna try and juice these. If I don't really juice them, I'm gonna end up putting them in a blender, just to get some, see how they are and whatnot. They got a lot of seeds. One of the things about these guavas. So but yeah, I was gonna tell you, if you guys we got a business course too. If you guys want to check out our business course, it's in the description box below. Go ahead and get that. And we also got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we also got our one-of-a-kind apparel there. Go check us out. Feel me? But, yeah. Gonna do some cutting and on to the video. What's up, y'all? I'm about to juice this guava. Oh, snap. Second thought, I'm gonna end up trying to blend it. So then when I blend it, then if I want to make it thinner, I got tools so I can strain it out. You know what I'm saying? Because I see how this is going. Yeah. But other than that, it is juice time. Gonna cut up and juice up some Macintosh apples. Hey, all right. Look how much that is. Macintosh apples. Here, we'll pour a little bit in here. I said a little bit, but I poured a little bit more than a little bit. Wow. That is exquisite. That might be the best juice I ever tasted. I'm trying to figure out, was it all the apples? Because I had a little bit of the wow. That is delicious. Wowzers. Wow. Wow, it's fruity. It's shoot, man. Holy cow. That was real fruity. Wowzers. Golly, cuz that was a lot. Yeah, threw me off. That was real tasty. Hold on now. Oh, had to get some more. Wow, that was that real fruity. That's delicious. I was gonna try to save and I put some in the fridge. I don't think I'm having enough to save because I'm gonna just drink it. Frank. But yeah, man, that was delicious right there. Holy cow. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, we post there on the regular. Go ahead and check us out. Well, follow us if you're not following us there already. Um, got our business course to check it out, and a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Pardon. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. This right here was delectable. Like, I'm actually like shocked. Macintosh apples tasted so right. I'm about to play with the guava when a little bit when I get to the blender. And I'm like, man, right this, yeah, that threw me off. I'm sorry, cause I'm just kind of like a little shocked. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think of this one. Peace, love, and light.